YouTube, Bimmer7 guy here. I'm just going to be changing out my tail lights from these LEDs, and I'm going to put in these Euro ones. And yeah, so as you can see, I have already took off some of the nuts and bolts. It's a 8mm to get these off. Some of them I am missing, so I'll show you what kind of hardware and stuff you'll need to be able to go through and do this yourself and get them replaced. Yeah, we'll go from there. But yeah, it's pretty simple. If you have the plastic covers, they just come off. You just spin that and pull it off. But yeah, when I get them out, I'll show you the new hardware and show you how to put these in. I'm changing these out. I'm just not super big on LEDs. I like the Euro tail light look a little bit more. But as you can see, we do have that completely unhooked. Alright, and if you do need bolts, they are M5 0.8. M5 0.8. Alright, and once you have it unhooked, you should be able to gently press on the back side. And once you get it out, that's what you'll have right there. These are the ones I'm taking out. These are the LEDs. Got the one plug. I picked up these Euro ones I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to first take and clean all that up right there before I mount it. Try to make it look a little neater. Alright, hold on. And once you get that all cleaned up, just take your tail light, make sure you got all your bulb sockets in it. And then you're just going to take and you're going to slide it in place. Just like that. Alright, so I didn't realize that this had stopped filming, but pretty much get all your nuts screwed on there. Take your connector. Make sure you plug up your connector for your tail lights. There we go. And you're going to take your cover. You're going to make sure it's turned flat. Take your cover. You're going to slip it in place like so. Turn it. And there you go. I think I like that look better than LEDs. I think it just looks a little cleaner. All right. Well, y'all have a great day.